What is going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to make sure emails from a certain email address never get sent to spam in Gmail. So this is a Gmail tutorial. I am using my spam here, so there's just a bunch of garbage that goes to this email, but we can use it for testing out the settings. So how to add this rule: basically any email that I can get, and I can customize it as I go, will not get sent to the spam as long as it follows a certain criteria, which will be, for the sake of this video, just a certain email address. So how to start: click settings at the top right here, and then click see all settings, and then you want to go to filters and blocked addresses, and you're going to want to create a new filter. So let's say all emails coming from Andre. This is probably, yeah, see, this is someone's email. And then like you can actually add some more criteria here, like maybe if you only want a certain subject from this email address to get never sent to spam, you can add that. Just add the criteria as you want. I'm just going to leave it like this. That means that no matter what's in the email body, the subject, the size of it, as long as it's from this address, it does not get sent to spam. So I'm going to click create filter, and here is the options. So never send to spam. And then we have other options as well. We can do always mark it as important, never mark it as important, star it, mark as read. But you know what? Just never send it to spam. That's all I want for this filter. So I'm going to create the filter. And now we can see it here. So any email that comes from this guy now will never get sent to spam, and that's all you have to do. So this is now set up. If you want to delete it, you can obviously just go here and click delete. It asks you to confirm first, and then you can also edit the rule and add more criteria if it doesn't work like you like it to. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully you found this video helpful. If you did, drop a like. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.